In this video, let's talk about the way that you update your Netflix payment method. If you want to add in a new card, whether it be debit card or credit card, to your Netflix account, in today's video, let me show you the process. Now you cannot do this from the app of Netflix. For this, you'll need to open up a web browser. So open up any preferred web browser and then you need to search for netflix.com. Now once you're inside of netflix.com, you'll see a similar interface. From here, you need to just head over to manage account, or what you can also do is tap on the profile icon on the top right. Inside of the account settings, make sure you're inside of the overview section. Inside of overview, under quick links, you'll see the option which says manage payment method. Just tap on this option and it is going to show you your current payment method or the card that you've added in. Before you tap on the update button, make sure you tap on the add payment method so that you can add in a new card before removing the previous one. This way you'll be able to add in different payment methods such as debit cards or credit cards. So pick the one that you want to add in. If you want to add in a debit or credit card, just tap on the first option, add in your card details, and then you'll be able to update your payment method once the new card has been added. So that's all there is to updating your Netflix payment method. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video.